Questions this evening from one lawmaker about whether the Integrity Commission is abusing sections of the law it relies on to do its work. The concerns are being raised after one former Member of Parliament, Dwayne Vaz, found himself in legal hot water. But, as you'll hear in this report from Dwayne Anderson, many of Vaz's former colleagues are confused about the case.
Committee members from different sides of the political aisle, but all seemingly working from the same question paper on Thursday. Among the questions they want the Integrity Commission to answer is what is going on with the illicit enrichment probe from nearly 2 years ago. Government member Delroy Chuck said it is about time the country get the information.
The basis of the illicit enrichment was a mismatch between purchases and income, or expenditure and income. To my mind, those members, whoever they are, if they can't clear it up, then we need some indication from the IC, Integrity Commission, what is being done.
Mr. Chuck, who is also the Justice Minister, explained it is not right for all lawmakers to have this cloud hanging over them.
Everybody asks me, I see on the street, are you one of the 6? It's not fair, Chairman. They need to clear this thing up.
The lawmakers also want the Integrity Commission to clarify its handling of Dwayne Vaz's case. Mr. Vaz will know his fate on June 7 after pleading guilty for failing to, without reasonable cause, provide information relating to his statutory declarations in November 2020. But his former colleagues are puzzled about the sequence of events in the case.
I don't understand why he's in the court.
I'm asking the Integrity Commission to explain the basis under which Mr. Vaz has been found to be in contravention of any provision of the Integrity Commission Act. So I'm asking the Secretary to convey that question from the committee to the Integrity Commission.
I'd like to know what the relevance of Section 42, 3A. If you issue a certification or of what have you for a particular year, how can you then still be asking for other documents? So I need to know the relevance of this section, or whether or not this section is being abused.
Committee Chairman Ed Bartlett assured members that the Integrity Commission will be requested to attend the next meeting to answer their questions about that case and 5 other reports before the committee. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.